Today, I am reviewing Samsung Galaxy Watch 744mm Bluetooth Smartwatch. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 744mm Bluetooth smartwatch is a remarkable device that redefines what a smartwatch can do, blending style, intelligence, and comprehensive health tracking into one sleek wearable. Designed with a vibrant AMOLED display measuring 44.4 millimeters, this watch delivers crystal-clear visuals, rich colors, and sharp resolution, making every glance at your wrist a truly immersive experience. With its green finish, it offers a fresh and modern look that stands out without being over the top, and its lightweight design ensures comfort for all-day wear. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Watch 7 is its advanced Samsung Galaxy AI integration. This smartwatch doesn't just track your activity, it learns from it. Using the AI-powered energy score, it evaluates your physical readiness each morning, giving you a clear picture of how prepared your body is for the day ahead. Whether you're planning an intense workout or a light morning run, the watch guides you with actionable insights so you can optimize your performance. For fitness enthusiasts, this feature is invaluable as it allows you to compare current workouts with past performances, giving you the motivation and data needed to push past your previous limits. Health tracking goes far beyond the basics with the Galaxy Watch 7. Its heart rate monitoring system, enhanced with Galaxy AI, filters out movement to give a precise reading, helping you understand your cardiovascular health more accurately. The watch also includes a sleep monitor that tracks sleep patterns and even assists in identifying moderate to severe sleep apnea, providing tips for better rest. Complementing this, wellness tips offer personalized suggestions to improve your lifestyle, making this smartwatch a proactive partner in your health journey. From a connectivity perspective, the Galaxy Watch 7 excels. With Bluetooth integration, you can stay connected to your phone for notifications, calls, and messages, ensuring you never miss an important update. Its built-in GPS enables accurate tracking of outdoor activities like running, cycling, and walking, while Android Wear OS 5 guarantees compatibility with both Android and iOS devices. The watch also supports a variety of apps, allowing you to access weather updates, alarms, and more directly from your wrist. The battery life is impressive, offering around 30 hours of usage on a single charge. This is complemented by the efficient power management of the 425 mAh battery, ensuring that whether you're using fitness tracking, AI-powered insights, or receiving notifications, your watch remains powered throughout your busy day. It's also water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for everyday use, workouts, and even swimming. Customization and usability are top priorities with the Galaxy Watch 7. The silicone strap is comfortable and secure, while the touch-sensitive display and responsive buttons make navigation seamless. Interchangeable watch bands sold separately allow you to tailor the smartwatch to your personal style, whether you prefer a sporty look or a more professional appearance. In terms of daily practicality, this smartwatch excels. It not only keeps track of your fitness goals and health metrics, but also seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle with alerts, reminders, and smart insights. The lightweight design combined with a sophisticated round form factor makes it a watch you'll want to wear at all times. Whether you're monitoring your workouts, tracking your sleep, or simply glancing at notifications, the Galaxy Watch 7 offers a combination of technology, elegance, and usability that is hard to beat. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 744mm Bluetooth smartwatch is a must-have for anyone seeking a device that blends cutting-edge technology with health and fitness tracking. Its AI-powered features, comprehensive health insights, vibrant display, and durable design make it one of the most advanced smartwatches available in 2024. Whether for fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals, or tech-savvy users, the Galaxy Watch 7 offers functionality, style, and performance in one sleek and intelligent wearable.